Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. When you demand cost efficiency and durability, Sawblade.com has got you covered with our performance line of Qsaw blades. The Qsaw Pallet Dismantling series was built around the rugged and high production cutting in the pallet recycling industry. Our 12-inch 24-tooth pallet blade features a premium-grade carbide with an ATB grind to allow for reduced snagging and fast, efficient rips through hard and soft wood. It also features industrial brazing that creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. Our Qsaw blades cut straighter because they have laser cut bodies rather than stamped, which results in less distortion, delivering a truer square blade. The 12-inch 24-tooth pallet blade is perfect for high production cutting and fast feed rates where a moderate finish is needed. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.